Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Super School. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. Are you learning new words? If you're not, learn it with me. It's as simple as that. Now I have brought 3 new words for you. Not bought, but brought. Now bought is the past tense for buy and brought is the past tense for bring, right? So anyways, let's move on to our word discussion. The first word is complement. Complement is a verb which means to make perfect or complete. Now, complement is also a noun. So it depends on the context of a sentence how you are using it. Now, for example, I am complimenting him for his performance at the concert. So here complimenting is the verb, and also another example you can see on screen is this wine perfectly complements this platter of gourmet cheese. So yeah, so now if I want to use compliment as a noun in a sentence, then I like his compliment. So, or I would like to give you a compliment. So, like that. It's as simple as that. So, it's a commonly used word, but sometimes it's used as a verb as well rather than noun only. Now, let's move on to the second word, which is concede. Now, concede is a word that we commonly hear when we listen to news, and especially about some kind of crime or criminal, because you will know in a moment when I will give out the meaning. So, it's a verb which means to be forced to agree or surrender, or it has another meaning as verb to admit to a transgression. Now, transgression is a difficult word maybe for some of you, so let me tell you what does transgression means. So transgression means to break any law or moral or rule. So now concede word has this 2 types of meaning as a verb. Now let's see sentences. With no chance of winning the battle, the army at last conceded. So as there is no chance for the army to win the battle, so at last they conceded. That means they surrendered. So without using the common word surrender, you can use concede. It will uplift the quality of your sentence, right? Now, let's see the second example with the second meaning. So Dan conceded to pranking his sister. So that means Dan kind of admitted to break a law. So irritating elder sister or any sibling is kind of breaking the law, and it can cause a lot of harm. So I know many of you can relate with it. So Dan conceded to pranking his sister. It's as simple as that. So you can use the word concede in these aspects. Now let's move on to the third word, which is conceive. Conceive means to imagine or come up with. Now a lot of people has this misconception that conceive means to get pregnant. No, that's not true. So conceive is a word which is a verb and which has many different meaning. So one of the most common meaning is to imagine or come up with. The plan to build the city was originally conceived in the early 90s or 1900th century, right? So it really depends on the sentence that how you should use the word. So try to use the word in such a way that it's appropriate for that particular expression or that particular context of the sentence.